Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio. Today I'm working on my collage pages for my prompt cards that I plan to make. I still don't know what words or prompts are going on them, but yeah. And I am back to blue. Well, I think there was a lot of blue in my last one. Well, if you follow me at all, you know I like blue. Blue's in a lot of stuff. I have a lot of painty blue papers, so might as well use them up. These are just clean off kind of stuff. Like I had clean off and I picked up jelly printing. This one actually was sitting underneath something else I was painting with acrylic ink and it bled through. And then this one is a gel print, the darker one. And I'm just getting, I don't know if I want to say more sparse, more selective. It's the way I'm collaging is changing just a little bit, I think. I kind of like how this one ends up. It's different than my other ones a little bit, but a lot of circles. I love circles. And I've had this square gel print for a little while, and I like the little squares it made, so we'll put that on there somewhere. Yeah, just digging through, seeing what I want to use. This one is a really old gel print. Did I use the original or copy? It feels like that's a copy. I think I made a copy of that one because I kind of liked it. I don't know. It was just different. I'm going to have a little bit of contrasting light and dark on here and playing around. I hope you're liking these and you're not too bored with them. I have a few more if I have the footage. I was looking and I hope it's on another memory card. If not, I'm going to have to come up with something else for next week. Happy Saturday. I hope you all are having a good weekend or have a good weekend. I am certainly glad it's going to be Saturday tomorrow. Work has been really hectic. I had a dream last night that my former boss, but she doesn't even work for the company anymore, asked me if I wanted my old job back. And I was like, yes, please. Yeah, but anyway. Times change. You have to keep learning, even when you don't want to. Isn't there something about old dogs, new tricks? Unfortunately, I'm not old enough to retire, so I guess I can't be an old dog yet. I have to just keep learning those new tricks. And it's a good thing I buy that Yoo-Hoo glue stick stuff in bulk. I need to find the bigger sticks of it. I wonder if it's too expensive that way. Or go to a cheaper brand, but I want to make sure it sticks. I don't seem to have any trouble with the Yoo-Hoo coming off later. So, but these will all be scanned. They'll be digital and then they'll be printed and cut up. I'll probably have to take them over somewhere I can have them laser printed. But yeah, anyway, that's the plan. Oh, as I was saying when I got distracted with my random conversation, if you're liking this stuff, let me know. Leave me a comment. Hit the like button. I said it last time I was going to make a playlist. I did not do it. I will make a playlist. In case you're interested in seeing the other ones, if you've missed them, I will put them in a playlist so you can find them easier. And I think I've figured out how I'm going to do my cards, how I'm going to cut them up. And I think I'm going to cut them like either 6 or 8 cards out of one page. Still not 100% on that. But I think that's what I'm going to do. So cut them the lengthwise down the middle and then each side into 4. So that'd still give me a good size. Because it's 8.5 by 11, so they'd be about 4 1/4 inches tall. And then what's 1/4 of 11? No. They need to be more than 2.5 inches wide. They may just end up being 6 of them, and then I'll have a little strip on the end so I can decide which side I like the least or something. Or just cut both ends off and go for the middle. Anyway. Because I don't want them to be too skinny. I have not figured out what words I'm going to put on there or what prompts I'm going to put on there. I'm thinking of having a word and then maybe a quote and then maybe an artist prompt or some sort of prompt on there. Or something to do. We'll see how that goes. I got to get this done before February 13th because I've decided I'm going to do the 100 Days of Art challenge. And I'll be kind of occupied with that, I think. Which I won't upload every day, but I might post it on Instagram. I think my link to Instagram is down below. I think my Linktree link is down below if you're interested in seeing what I end up doing for the 100-day project. And then, of course, I'll videotape some of it and upload it to YouTube, of course, so I can keep my YouTube going. It's been a long time. I don't think I've missed posting twice a week in a really long time. So my goal is to not miss one. But I've been kind of a slacker this week. I haven't done any art this week. This is all stuff from previous, so if you do enough at once, you can take a break, I guess. I hope you are all doing art. I hope you're doing well. Everybody's healthy at your house. We're doing okay. My sister has a cold. I can't say that I gave it to her. My cold was over Christmas, so she should have got it by now. She was getting it. So I just scribbled around those circles. I did it with the one marker and it wasn't dark enough, so I'm just going over it with the, I think this is a Posca. Posca's nice and bold. But I'm just about done. I make a few more marks and that's it. So I hope you liked this. Of course, I said that before. If you did, let me know in whatever way you want to. And if you like this content and are not already a subscriber, think about subscribing, blah, 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 and have an awesome day.